Hey guys, it's Jasmine Jazzy B, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Hold on 1 second. Y'all already know what it is, a clothing haul, of course, because I love shopping. But I got a box full of things, and I'm going to show you guys what I purchased from the Shein app. The stuff took forever to come, but it's finally here. That's all that matters. But we're going to get right into it. Okay, this is a $12 skirt. It's a ripped denim skirt and I absolutely love it. It fits amazing. I ordered it in a size small and it really does fit amazing. And remember, this skirt is only $12 and it's from Shein and it's beautiful. Okay, let's get into this snake skin skirt. Okay, don't mind me about to knock over the stand. But this skirt is amazing. I love it. Like, this is like my favorite skirt already. I ordered this in a size small and I love it. And guys, this skirt was only $6.40. Okay? $6 for this skirt. Look how banging it is. Like, banging. Okay, let's get into this skirt. Now, this skirt is a high-waisted split satin skirt. This skirt was only $5, guys. I ordered this in a small, and look how banging this skirt is. It's similar to the other skirt I have tried on, but it's popping. Okay, this is a neon split high-waisted skirt, okay? And it is popping. I love the color. It's very bright, vibrant. I ordered this in a size small as well. I should have got a size medium because you can see my little pudge right there a little bit, but it's still cute. And guess what? This skirt was only $4. Like $4. That's it. Okay, this is a leopard chiffon skirt. And this is like for the beach, honestly. It's like a bathing suit wrap, in my opinion. I would not wear this outside. This is strictly for the beach or something. And I ordered it in a size small, of course. And it was only $4. Very cheap. Okay, this is a hot mess. I do not like this top at all. It is a halter neck crop top and it's a mess. Like, what the hell? I don't like the pattern in it. It was only $4, but I need to move on because I do not like this top at all. Okay, this is a cutout shoulder bodycon dress. Very cute and comfy. It's like a shirt dress. And it was $9.60. Pretty cheap. I like it. Put it on with some sneakers and really cute and simple. Okay, let's get into this two-piece set. Is really cute. I love this. Like, this is totally my style. I paid $15 for this, but it's definitely worth it in my opinion. I love little flowy skirts and little fun little prints like that. And this is like super comfy too. Okay, let's get into this ruche detail bodycon tube dress. This is very pretty. It hugs my body tightly and it shows my shape. I ordered this in a size medium and I'm glad, because if I would have ordered this in a size small, yeah, I was not fitting into that. But it's super cute. I love, love, love the color. Okay, this is a tube top bodycon skirt set and it's super cute. It was only $8 and I ordered this in a size small. I maybe should have got a size medium, I'm thinking. Okay, this is the last outfit. This is a floral two-piece set and it is super cute. It is in a size small and it was only $8. Like $8. That's not bad. So I didn't even spend that much money on these clothes, on these items. Pretty cheap and affordable. But thank you guys for watching. That's it.